guys, can you hear me? Anilesh? Hi, Mister.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, Manish. Like OptionX team is ready to start, or they need more time?
No, we are ready, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So then you can start. Maybe other people might join later.
Okay. So, hi everyone, Neeraj this side. So, I'm a product manager at OptionX. So, we have been building a software trading software for in the Indian market, and currently, like we have now 10,000 plus traders. They are trading from our platform, and it's a purely discretionary trading platform. So, the core features that we have, like integrated in our platform, is a single UI interface where you can use multiple workspaces, you can create multiple templates, and like there are lots and automations are there. So let's suppose like there are risks involved in trading, so you can automatically manage your risk. If I talk about execution, so execution is our at the first priority. So we have made our platform to be in like all the orders and all are getting executed at just one click. So whether it is a single order placement, or sometime we used to do like strategy trading, right? Like iron condor, saddle, angle. So everything is in just one click. Even you can place your target, stop loss, and then you can trail your stop losses. Now I'm going to share my screen, and I'll show you how the platform works and what are the core features, and what are the benefits of using our platform. And if you have any type of query, any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. So let's make this session very much interactive. So first of all, let me share my complete screen. Yeah. Just give me a moment. I'll log in. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Uh, Manish, can you just confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible, Neeraj. You can
Okay,
continue.
thanks. So, uh, before starting, let me just show you the complete overview of the platform. So, at the top, there's a header where like you can manage the first button is for managing workspaces, and the second is for widgets. Like if you go to widgets, there are multiple tools are there. I'll walk you through with the each and every tools, and what are their benefits and how to use these tools. Next, you have a position. Then you can search any instrument to open chart, open ladder, or like you just wanted to have a look at in anything, you can just go and search. Then at the right, you have a option to enable practice mode at any time. So, so this practice mode allows you to trade with virtual money, and this virtual money, like by default, we used to give 5 CR a virtual fund, and with this 5 CR, you can practice throughout the platform, and you can utilize all our feature. Next, you have a profile. So inside this profile, um, you can go to the login with broker, and whosoever is your broker, you can integrate your broker, and you can start with the real trading. Now, if you scroll down, so this the center part, this UI is completely customizable. For me, these two widgets, three widgets are showing. So I'll come to this part later on. So if you scroll down, you will see the position. Then you have open orders, whatever pending orders are there, you can see over here. Then you have the executed orders. So now let us create a fresh new workspace, and taking consideration of an example of, let's suppose like a lot of buyers are there who used to do scalping and all. So we'll start with a scalping scenario, and then we will jump into a strategy like iron contour or straddles angle. Then we'll see how this platform is useful in trading strategies and all. First of all, you need to go to this workspace. Then see, there are multiple workspaces I have created earlier. So for buying, selling, for analysis, for scalping, and like in fact, for scalping, I've created a Nifty and Sensex a separate workspace. So to manage all my strategies, all my trades efficiently. Now, either you can add uh, widgets from here. So let us start with using a template. So we have a separate template for scalper option buying. You can directly select it, and whatever instrument you want to trade, either maybe a stock or commodity or anything. So we'll take an, right now the market is closed, so we'll take an example of crude. Yeah. So once I clicked, my complete workspace is ready for now. The first one, the first widget, we call it as price ladder. So this price ladder concept is not new, but it is very fresh in the Indian market. So it is very much reliable, and the reason I'll show you. And this ladder basically makes your execution very much faster. And yeah, so this is the ladder. Then we have the crude future chart, and at the right we have call and put chart. Similarly, you can create a workspace for Nifty or any stocks through this template that we have just seen here. Now, in this ladder, at the top you will see which instrument you are going to trade. So right now it is crude 5950 call option, and the left part is the settings, the configuration part, and the right part is the ladder. So in ladder, this yellow marker, it basically highlights the current market price. So 166 is the current price of this instrument, and this green number is the bid, and this red holiday. I do other things. Sorry, you were saying something. Okay, let me continue. So here, this bid column, basically if you want to place any buy order, you just need to click on this bid column. So let's suppose the market is at 164 and you want to buy this crude call option at 160. So you just need to click here. By the time you click at any price, the order get placed and this order sent to the broker. And if you want to modify this price, like if you want to modify this order from 160 to 165, you just need to do drag and drop. So by just dragging and dropping, the order gets modified. And if you want to cancel it, just need to bring your cursor here, click on this cross icon, and the order will get cancelled. Now, if you want to place it at market, so you just need to place above the current price. So it will get executed at market. Now, this green marker, it basically shows you have a position at this price. So here I can see my net position and PNL. And from here you can set your quantity. So right now we have placed a single limit order. So there are multiple order types over here. You can use bracket or cover. We'll go one by one. So with each single limit, a single bracket and cover, you get limit and SL. So let's suppose I have, like here I have a position and I want to have a stop loss. So you can switch to SL. And since I'm going to place a sell order, I need to click on this offer column. So I bought at 166. I'll place a stop loss at 161, 5 points below. Now I just clicked at offer column. It placed a sell order, a stop loss sell order. Now you can trail this stop loss. So if the prices are moving up, your stop loss should also trail this price. In that case, you just need to bring your cursor over here, click on this up arrow icon, and then auto trailing will get enabled. So now after this, if the price moves up from here, the stop loss will automatically move up. See, so the stop loss was at 161, prices moved a little bit, and the stop loss has also moved to 163 automatically. Then if you want to modify it manually, that is also possible. Just need to drag and drop. The prices will get modified. So it is very much useful when you are trading in the live market where the prices are moving rapidly, and you want to move your stop loss and you want to trail the prices. So it is very much useful for you. So yeah, next we'll switch to a bracket order. So in bracket, you can have a target and stop loss while entering into any trade. So we can set, let's take an example of, I'll take a 10 point of target and 5 point of SL. And let's suppose I want to enter at 160. So I'll click at 160 and it will place a buy order at 160, which is my entry point, and then it will place a target at 170, which is 10 point above this, and then a stop loss at 155. And you can, if you want to modify, you can modify it. So I just drag and move it to 165, and now my buy order is at 165 and a target sell order is 175 and a target stop loss a stop loss sell order is at 160. Till here, any doubt related to bracket order or single orders or order placement using this price ladder? Anything, any doubt till here? Anyone?
Yeah, hi, Neeraj, this side, Maurkar, this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already subscribed this for 1 month. I think
Okay.
Sunil from your team is helping me to understand, and I'm trading using this.
Yes.
So my question is, suppose, see, yesterday was a what you call expiry day. I wanted to take the trade for next week. Okay.
Mhm.
Next week contract. But here above that crude MCX is there, no, in normal and this. Below you
Yeah.
have 17 February.
Yeah.
Yeah, you click on, I mean, you select the next month contract there.
17th March.
Uh, uh, uh.
Okay.
Okay, now in this ladder, the price ladder, you can see the price of 17th March, right?
Yes. Yeah. So now these prices are of 17th March. 17th
Okay.
March, 5900 call.
Okay, but in XY ladder, if I place, it is coming by default. It is coming to the current this
Ah,
one.
no, like that is XY ladder. I'll explain. So
Okay.
it's different from this ladder.
But
So
from here, can you execute March 17th? Can you place order and
yeah,
check the position?
yeah, you
Ah,
can
okay.
place
Let the
it.
order execute.
So it got executed at 399, and then you can,
Okay.
I'll
Hmm.
scroll it. And here I have the position
Is it
59.
March, February?
Yeah, it's March.
February, March.
Hmm.
Yesterday
I'll
I
show you.
tried for Nifty, the same
Yeah,
thing, the same way what you did.
yeah,
For Nifty
because
I tried.
yeah, XY ladder is different. So
No,
there
no, no.
you can.
Even in this normal price ladder also.
Understood.
Paper trading I tried, but it was placing only on the current this one. Even if I select the 17th March,
Oh,
yesterday
okay.
was 10th, na?
I understood what happened. So if you change the expiry, you need to select the price. So if you don't change the price, the prices, whatever prices are shown here is of the previous one, previous instrument. So now, like I will change it to April, but place any order, this will be placed in March only. So you need to select the price. You need to change it. Now, if you change this,
That is wrong, right? Now it has refreshed.
yeah. So like you first need to change the stripe.
No,
Uh,
no. When you change this one expiry itself, the ladder should refresh, right? This is wrong actually, right?
no, but ultimately, like you need to select the strikes again, na? So that is,
By default, it should come to the add the money, right? For the next April also, add the money, it should get refreshed, this ladder.
yeah, that we can do. That is not a big deal. That we can add.
Acha, okay.
So by default, it will come at 80.
ATM of April contract.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay,
that
go
will.
ahead, go ahead. Because others will not. Yeah.
Anyone, any doubt related to like, order placement and all? If anything is there, you can come and ask.
Hi Neeraj, regarding the trailing stop loss, can we have a trailing stop loss in this fashion? Like if the price moves in 5 points, then
Okay.
my stop loss should be shifted by 1 point or 2 points.
Yeah. So let me open this one. Yeah. So we have taken a position here in 5950 call option. So if you scroll down in this setting, so at the bottom you will see there is a auto SL trailing setting. So the current setting is 1:1. So you can change it to any number like you asked for 5:5. So
5
you
is
can
to
change it
1.
5:1. So that also you can do. Just click on update and this will get updated.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Now, we just seen like with the bracket order, which has the target and the stop loss. And with this bracket order, it has one more feature, which is
Neeraj. Sorry to interrupt. I have just another question on the same that
hmm,
Anurag mentioned. So this is the that you have updated the trailing and the price movement. So it
hmm.
will update for the current existing order, or it will be updated for the next ones when we enter other ones.
No, it will update it for the current or any
Okay.
orders which are there in this ladder. So it will get updated. Once you click on update, so the trailing will automatically get updated.
And if I have multiple tickers, so
Hmm.
I want different for different tickers. Then
Yeah,
also I need to open this one for each ticker and update for each
yeah,
one. Or
yeah.
okay, okay.
Yeah, so these are the ladder view. So where in a single ladder you can trade a single option. So at the top you will see which option you are trading. Right now it's 17 Feb 5950, and here in the right ladder we have 17 March 5900 call option. So each have different settings. So you can change it. The trailing you can change it for. So you can have a separate trailing setting for separate instruments.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Neeraj. Yeah.
Yeah.
Neeraj, regarding the same thing,
Mm-hmm.
I have noticed that if the trade is on and SL is enabled, I mean trailing is enabled on SL, okay?
Yeah.
And then if I go to auto SL trailing setting and update,
Yeah.
okay, is it reflecting the updated trailing settings or the older one?
Sorry, like no, it will update with the newer one. No? So if you have changed this and you have clicked on update, so it will
Hmm.
then trail with the new speed.
5.1.
Yeah.
No, but I noticed I need to disable and enable again. Otherwise, it is not getting effect. I have noticed it.
Okay.
See, I
Uh,
have to go there. Click again, enable auto, so it becomes disable. Again, I have to enable.
no. Okay, let me just show it again. So it's still enabled. So I changed it, but still enabled. The
Okay,
market.
okay. Wait for the market to go 2 points, then you will
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah.
Because I have noticed this, okay, this might
Mhm.
be a bug, maybe. So I thought I will tell you. And
Mhm.
also, till I hover over the stop loss red button, no, 160.
Uh,
I don't know whether it is on or off. How do I know that is it enabled or not?
which one?
Why should I go there and hover? I should have
Yeah, here you
something.
need to hover. Yeah, because of limited spacing. That is why we are
Hmm.
not able to show it at the upfront. Yeah.
But what I would suggest is once it is enabled, this
Mm.
at least half of this button, no, you should change it to green or something like that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, diagonally. Yeah,
Mm.
if it is enabled, if it is disabled, let it be red,
Yeah,
something like that.
I'll forward this. I will forward both of your feedback, this one and the previous one, about the expiry and strike to the team. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So going forward, we just saw bracket order. So in bracket order, you have one more settings. You have one feature to put your target and stop loss either on local or at exchange. So if your orders are put at local, so OptionX will handle the target and stop loss sell orders. And the benefit you will get, like if we send these two sell order to the broker, they will block your margin. And in Nifty, if I talk about Nifty, the sell margin would be 1 to 2 lakh just for one lot. So that margin will get blocked if you use bracket order. But with this local feature, you can place your target and stop loss with like without any margin. So if the price gets triggered, then the order will automatically send to the broker. Now I'll cancel this. There is a cancel button at the bottom and exit at the top. Now you can switch to cover. So with cover order, you will only have a stop loss. So there will be no target. The upside will be completely open, and you can use it during the expiry day where you know, like anyways, the price premium is going to decay to zero. So you can use cover orders at those times. Now I'll place a cover order at 165. So I clicked at 165. It has placed a entry order at 165 and a stop loss at 155 because my stop loss point was defined as 10 points. So this was cover order. Now we'll see the next ladder, the next price ladder, which is price ladder XY. So a lot of time we used to follow Nifty 50 charts, and based on a Nifty breakouts or Nifty support and resistance level, we used to trade in their options. But what if like you can predefine your orders based on Nifty price levels? So you for those this XY ladder is very much helpful. So if I click on this, select Nifty 50, and now this is a XY ladder where these prices are of Nifty 50, and the instrument which I am going to trade is the Nifty call option. So right now the market is closed. I'll show an example with crude where I'm going to place order based on crude future. So here you can see there is a support at 5955, and if the future price again comes at 5955, there is a trading opportunity. We will buy a call, and then we will have a target of 15 points, and will take a stop loss of 5 points or 10 points. So these things you can do it with this XY ladder. Now in this XY ladder, these prices are the future prices, but we are going to trade in call option. So in the left side, you can see like we have selected crude 17 Feb 5950 call option, and we are going to place this order once the future price comes at 5955. So 5955 is here. I'll simply click here, and yeah, one order has been placed, and this order will trigger once the price comes to 5955, and if this level comes, it will automatically trigger a order in 5950 call option. And the way like we have seen the previous ladder, the execution, like the you can modify, you can drag and drop to modify, you want to cancel cross, it will get cancelled. Then you have bracket order. So let's suppose there are situation when this can be a false support. So in that case, the market breaks this level and it goes down. So for in that scenario, you can take a bracket order or a cover order. So take a target of 15 point and stop loss of 5 points, and it plays this at 5955. Yeah. So it will enter once the level comes at 5955 and a target at 5970, and then stop loss at 5950. So this is how you can trade at future levels. So or anything. So the reason we call it as XY ladder is you can trade any X instrument based on prices of Y instrument. So this can be anything. So a lot of people used to see correlation between Bank Nifty and HDFC Bank because HDFC Bank is the highest contributor in Bank Nifty. So you can do correlations trading and all with this XY ladder. Yeah. So any query, any questions related to this XY ladder?
Yeah,
If you
hi,
have,
this is Alistair. I had a
yeah,
question regarding like individual positions that we take. Now, suppose we have for crude oil futures. Can
yeah,
we see the MTM of each individual, instrument on the chart itself or on the ladder? Because that would be more helpful.
yeah, yeah. So here at the top, you can see the net position, PNL, and the average price. Yeah,
Okay.
here at the top.
And what about for the future?
Yeah, like we haven't traded in future. If we have traded in future, the future position and PNL will show you.
Okay, thanks.
Mhm. Yeah. Anything else, or I'll continue. If you have any query,
Neeraj,
yeah, Rishabh.
instead of buying, if you want to do selling, then you have to just put it on the right hand side, is it?
Yeah, in
On the
the red
sell
box.
side.
Yeah, in this offer column. So here, let's
And
suppose, yeah,
yeah, go on.
yeah. So let's suppose at this level, if I want to sell it, let's suppose if the market comes at 5970, I want to sell. So I'll simply click here and it will place a sell order at this price. And the stop loss and target will change. Now, if I'm selling, my stop loss will be at 5975, which is a higher price, and the target will be at lower price 5955. Since I'm using bracket order, so 15 point below will be my target, and 5 point above will
Okay.
be my stop loss. Yeah, I'll cancel this.
Yeah,
So,
got it. Thanks.
yeah, we just took an example, and you can see here. So our entry order got executed at this 5955. So now we have position, and the market went up from here, and our target is at 5969. So either you can wait for the target to trigger, or you can exit order from here. So it has almost reached to our target.
Neeraj,
So
I have a
yeah,
query regarding this. Suppose I want to make an entry based upon the instrument, underlying, which you have
Mhm.
already shown,
Yeah,
but I want to place my stop loss based upon the instrument itself.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I want, my
Mhm.
order to be executed when the level comes at
Mhm. Mhm.
5970.
Mhm.
But instead of keeping the SL based upon the underlying, I want to, keep my SL on the instrument
Yeah, understood.
based on call options. So can we do it this?
Yeah, yeah, you can do it. So you just need to open the ladder. Uh, the code. So yeah. So in this, we have traded. Let's suppose we will place this order from here based on future level. Let me execute. It has executed. So we have a position in 5950 call option. So you can just place the entry. You should not place the bracket order. Just place the single limit order. And so once it will get executed, it will show up here in this normal price ladder. So these are the now premium of this ladder, and like we have entered at 166, so you can simply put a stop loss from here. So you just need to open two ladders. One will be the XY ladder and the other one will be the normal price ladder. Side by side you can open and you can place your entry on the right side, and then you can place a stop loss in the left side.
Cool. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, so let us move forward. So now we are going to create a iron condor, and then we will see how you can trade iron condor with our platform. So first of all, we'll create a iron condor using this strategy builder. So either you can select strategy from the drop down. So there are pre-built strategies which you can directly use it. So let's suppose I use a short iron condor. Okay, let me change this to crude. Yeah, so I have now two buy and two sell, and there are two put options, two call option of multiple strikes, and the net premium is 79. So if you combine the LTP and multiply with the ratio, this net premium comes. So this is the premium which I am going to collect, and then if you scroll down, you'll have the max profit, loss, break even, like a standard strategy builder, and so you can see the payoff and all. And at the bottom you will see the Greeks. But here the interesting part comes here, like with open chart button and open ladder. So if you click on this open chart, just need to put the name crude iron condor. Yeah. So I just opened the combined ladder of iron condor and also the chart. So here in this ladder at the top you will see this is a strategy ladder of like a crude iron condor ladder, and then the prices here of like the current combined premium of this iron condor is around 80 or 79, and again these are the combined bid and the combined offers. And now this chart has been loaded. So this is the combined premium chart of crude iron condor. So with this, you can basically see how the prices are moving, whether there is a decay or not in this strategy. So and based on this, you can basically put your strategy and you can trade it. Now, I'll place a order here in this crude. So the current combined premium is around 79, and let's suppose if the combined premium comes at 85, so then I want to enter into this iron condor. So let me take a bracket order over here, 10 point target, 5 point sell. Okay, and then I'll place this at 85. So I just took a 10 point of target, 5 point of stop loss, and these are at a combined premium level. So I will enter once the combined premium of iron condor comes at 85, and I will exit if the combined premium goes to 75. Or if you want to exit at the market, just click here above the current price. Okay, just wait to get filled. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so our order has been executed, and the price which comes at it, like we the complete iron counter got executed at 78, and the target is put at 67, and the stop loss is at 82. Now you can trail this stop loss. At a combined strategy level, you can put your target, you can put your stop loss, and then you can trail your stop loss. So yeah, the way we have executed order in a single naked option, the same in the similar way you can trade any strategies of like 2 leg, 4 leg, or 10 leg, or anything. So this is how simpler it is to trade any strategies with this ladder. You will have a separate PNL, separate position for individual strategy, and yeah. So there is one more thing. I'll go to position.
One second,
So Neeraj,
Neeraj, one
how does
question.
it work? Because there are 4 orders which get executed, right? So
Yeah.
does it wait for? I mean, what is the mechanics behind it? If you can explain it.
Yeah, so I'll tell you in depth. So basically, if you place any order, there's an execution cell. First of all, you need to select. So if you selected serial, we will first send the buy order and then the sell orders, so that you can get a margin benefit. Now, like how these orders are getting filled. So for that, let me put the order, and I'll change the tick size. So that right now the price difference is 1 rupee. I'll change it to 0.05, and then I'll show you. So you can see the price is is at 79, and the offers are like there are very few offers are there. So what we do, if you place, let's suppose I place an order at 80 rupee. So this will get executed when the combined premium will come at this price, and also it has an offer. So until unless it get the offer, the order will not get executed, so that you will have a less slippage. So there are two things involved. As I told you, and once the price gets triggered, we send the buy order first and then the sell order. This is how the execution works here in spread ladder.
Okay,
So
but if
is
I
it
place
at
the order, then is there a guarantee that I will get it at 80, or there might be some slippage in this?
Yeah, that's why I told, like, we used to have a check whether there is an offer or not at this price. If we see an offer at this price, then only we send the order to the broker. See, this yellow marker is the LTP, and we have a best offer at 78.
How you track the offer and bid, because
Because
the bid and offer
yeah,
are for individual
four
instruments.
So yeah,
different orders basically.
And
Yes.
yeah. So we used to every millisecond we used to calculate the bids and offer, including all the legs. So if I tell you, so let's suppose I have a buy put and I have a sell put. So we will take the offer of put, bid of put, and then we combine of like all the 4 legs, and then we get the offer. So let's suppose this is a strategy and I want to enter into strategy. So we will look for the offer at this buy order, and the bids of this sell orders, and then we combine both together, and then we show these numbers here in the offer. I hope I am able to explain like the concept behind
Yeah,
this
yeah,
bids and offers.
yeah.
So
Makes
just
sense.
think like, yeah, now this crude iron counter has become a separate instrument, and you are trading this crude iron counter, not individual 4 legs.
So,
So
Neeraj, can I also create is this only for the preset strategies, or like if I have to create my own strategy and then trade it as a combined
yeah,
order, can that be also possible?
yes. So for that you need to come to this builder, and then either you can click on option chain or create new. Click on this create your strategy button, and it will open the builder. So from builder you can add anything, and then you, you'll create basically a new strategy
Okay.
like
And is there
this.
a limitation to how many number of legs you can execute
No,
together?
no, there is no
No
such
limitation.
limitations. You can create any number of strategies. The only thing is The chart will take some time because there is a high computation involved in chart. So this might take some time, but the ladder and all this will get opened immediately and you can place your orders.
Suppose I have a iron condor and I also have a butterfly, maybe in a ratio of 1:3:2. So, like, would it be reflect as two different positions in my net positions as iron condor and butterfly?
It depends if the legs are separate in both the strategies, then everything would work perfectly. But if the legs are similar, the same a same instrument you have added in a butterfly and iron condor, so it will break.
Yeah, Neeraj, 1 second. Can you go to position? See, if you have opened, suppose one iron condor is open,
Yeah.
okay. In the positions, can you down?
Let me take a iron condor, so I have exited
This is not
So
executed.
position. There is no right now there is no segregation based on strategy, that is
I
yet.
think,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what. Here you need to have one more column. Like if it is a strategy, then you can have that strategy so that
Yeah.
it will be easy for us, right?
Yeah, understood. So right now, like before, like when we have started building this platform, that was there in our pipeline from the first day. But due to the limitation, like if the position, see, these positions we are getting it from the broker, and broker does not send us like whether these orders has been executed through that strategy itself. So that is the reason
Mhm.
earlier we were not able to do, but right now, like we are able to do those things. So we are working on this. So very soon we will have a strategy level segregation in the position.
Mm. Because otherwise, what happens? Like it will take the average. It will display average price, right?
Agree. This is a huge problem for any strategy trader. But what like the benefit is here, like you inside this spread ladder, you can whatever order you are placing, these are at a strategy level. So you will be you will be able to exit strategy, not the complete legs or anything. So there will be no conflict over here. What I'm trying to say. So if you hover here, you'll see the position on the individual leg and the stop loss and
Individually
target.
exit.
Yeah, the stop loss and target will be at strategy level.
Okay. And
Neeraj,
individual level stop loss we cannot put, right? For example,
Yeah,
iron condor if I want to use, but
yeah, you can. So for that you need to
no,
go
in the
to
within the strategy, I mean.
within the strategy.
Yeah, here,
Like you can put a target and stop loss at a strategy level. I have
yeah,
showed. You can.
strategy level is okay. I wanted to, yeah,
So you want to have a target and stop loss on each instrument, right?
yeah, especially
Ah,
cells, suppose.
okay.
Not
So you
target,
can
only stop loss at least.
understood. You can go to position and then there is a set SL target section, and
Okay.
yeah, you can directly put your target and SL over here. Hmm.
So I think if you have one column for strategy here also, then it will be
Ah,
easy for us to,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
have this
yeah.
vessel.
Yeah, and one more thing here. So there's an interesting feature over here, the profit protection. So whatever MTM is there of your like whatever positions you have, and for the complete position you would have a MTM, and based on this MTM level you can put your target and stop loss. So right now I'll show you. I'll select profit protection, then I'll select the complete position, and now the complete ATM of this crude position M2M is around 3.4 rupee. So what I'll do, I'll put a target of, let's suppose, 1000 and a stop loss of minus 500, and I'll put this on trailing. So if the profit increases with 100 rupee, my stop loss will also increase with 100 rupee, and then I'll save this. So now what happens, like your target and stop loss are set at MTM level. So let's take a scenario where you are having profit of 10k and you want that even the market goes against your trade, so at least you would book 5,000 or 8,000 of your profit. So that amount should be protected. In those scenario, you can use profit protection. So either you can select all your position or you can select a particular position, and based on that you can put a M2M target and M2M stop loss.
Basically, lock, right? Profit lock kind of.
Yeah, right. Now, if you scroll down, you'll have the open orders, and then you can see the executed, and at the bottom you can see the trade logs and action logs. Yeah, one more thing over here. We have an adjustment like option here. So with this adjustment, you can basically move the strike with just one click. So let's take an example of this crude 5,550 put option. Let's suppose we want to move the strike from 5550 to 55. Let's suppose, what is the next strike? Let's move this strike from 5550 to 5600. So I'll select this, and then I'll click on this move button, and see the previous order has been exited, and it has created a new order at 5600 put option. So with this you can do roll up and roll down. So if you want to move your strikes immediately, so you can use this move button. If you want to add more quantity, or if you want to exit your quantity, you can use these buttons. And this 100% is nothing, just a quantity. You can set the quantity, like whether you want to move your 100% of the quantity or 50%, or you can change this to a number of quantity. So you can put on percentage or in quantity. Anything, any doubt till here?
Just Neeraj, one doubt regarding this combined premium thing. Maybe it's a silly doubt. The You were saying that it checks for all the offers, whether there are offers available or not. Suppose I want to execute at a combined premium of 78,
Hmm.
and it will check. There are 16 offers at this point. But
Hmm.
what if these 16 offers are cumulative of only three legs, and there is one leg in which there is no offer?
Yeah.
Hi,
So
Raghu. So in case, let's say you right now we have an order at minus 82, right?
okay.
So this will be filled when the combined. So this is a buy order. So when the combined offer comes at minus 82, then it will be filled. And what do I mean by combined offer at minus 82? That means so there are like okay.
Whenever the combined premium reaches 82, it will execute the order, right?
Yes, so here we have four legs, right? We are buying first and fourth leg, and second and third we are selling, right? So we are buying a strategy. So for the first leg, when the offer is sitting at some P1 price one, for second leg we are selling it. So the bid is sitting at, let's say, P2. Then for third leg it's P3. Bid is sitting at P3, and for fourth leg offer, because we are buying, so we want offer for this leg.
Hmm.
So when all of these bid and offer individually combined is coming at minus 82, then the order will be filled. So if so all the four legs has to be in a certain way for it to be executed at minus 82. And we
So
will,
once that price comes to 82, I just want to understand, then it will fire all the orders at the market order, no? Otherwise, there will not be any guarantee that
yes,
it might
it
be
will,
a chance that one or two legs might be missed.
yes. So it will fire market order, but basically it's a limit order with market protection. So it's practically a market order only. You're right. So
Okay,
it is generally
got it.
called a sniper order type.
Cool, cool, cool.
Okay. Yeah. So moving ahead, I'll show you another widget, which is basically straddles angle. So if you trade straddles angle, we have a separate widget, and here you can have a list of straddles. So the 01 is the ATM straddle, and the minus are the ITM and the below are the OTM straddles. Now you have 4 action button here. So either you can directly sell this, short this straddle from this S button, or you can directly access the ladder. Or if you want to see the chart, that also you can click it here and it will open the straddle chart. And you can see the price movement, how the price is, like whether there is a decay in this straddle or not, and those things you can track. And if you want to put any indicators, like if you want to have a VWAP in straddle chart, you can add it. And like straddle, you have strangle option. So in strangle, again, you'll have a multiple strangles, and this 50-100 is the difference from the ATM. So this was straddle strangle widget, and like that we have few more. We have a basket order where you can create a basket, you can add any instrument, and you can place orders at just one click. And then you have option chain. So in option chain, you can see the OI change, IV change, and then the Greeks and all you will be able to see at real time with this option chain. And then at the bottom we have few analysis tool, like we have a spread finder. So here in this spread finder, you can basically give input like risk reward, POP, and the margin, and based on this it will find you the best strategies. Like if I take a strategy, if I want to find a calendar spread, and based on these values, like I want to have a risk reward of 1 and then POP of 30, and then if I click on find spread, let me reduce this, or let me change to some other strategy like a condor. Yeah, so yeah, based on this filter it will show you the strategies, and you can directly place this strategy using ladder. Or if you want to see the payoff, you can see payoff here. So this was spread finder, and then we have IV charts. So we have included multiple IV charts. We have term structure, Walker, ATM, live ATM IV, and then we have skew chart. So in term structure, you can see the IV across multiple expiries. So with this chart, you will be able to see what are the IVs across multiple expiry, and then we have Walker. So in Walker, you can see the IVs across multiple strikes, and then this is the live ATM IV, so you can track the IV, the real-time IV, and you can change the time frame over here. And then we have the live skew chart. So here you can select that delta range. So it will basically combine the IV of multiple strike based on this delta value, delta range, and then it shows the IV. And yeah, this is the OI chart. So here with this OI chart, you can see the increase and decrease in OI. And yeah, so at last we have the rolling chart. So if you want to see the ATM rolling prices of any strategy, so you can create a straddle, like I'll put a 0. So I'm just creating a straddle. I'll save this. And this will basically show me the ATM straddle price, and it will be a strike agnostic. So this is the price movement of ATM straddle today. So yeah, so these all are the features which are available in OptionX. You can also join this platform, and you can explore all these features that we have discussed today. And if you have any query, please ask. And I'm also pasting the URL in the chat box, so you can also go and sign up to this platform. Yeah. So I've put a OptionX URL in the chat box. So you can go and sign up to our platform. And if you have, meanwhile, if you have any query, you can ask me. Rishabh, Sagar, Anurag, anyone, any query, Nirav? Alistair, Nilesh sir, anyone?
No query as such. Neeraj, thanks for the wonderful demo, and the product looks pretty, good. I'll surely check it out.
Means a lot, Anurag. Yeah, thanks for your feedback.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah,
Neeraj.
same here. I think looked exciting, but yeah, I think once you start using, you will like understand the details, like what's possible,
Yeah,
what's not possible, right?
yeah.
What are the charges? I think you did not cover that.
Uh, yeah, so if you go to this profile and you can go to subscribe. So we have a 7 days free trial. So at zero cost, you can explore all our feature and like whatever I explained it today. Everything is just like at a zero cost. So we can use it for 7 days. And then we have a premium plan which start from 999, and then we have a pro plan which start from 3999. So premium, I'll basically show what features are there in premium and what are there in pro. So the strategy part, like the spread ladder, this builder, as you can see the marker here, these are under pro plan. And the naked option, buying and selling using these ladders, the automation ladder, price ladder XY, these are all comes under premium plan. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
And
one question, Neeraj.
suppose my orders are executed manually,
Mm-hmm.
will they still show once I connect my broker? Will they still show over here, or only the orders which I execute to this platform will be visible here?
No, actually, if like when you integrate your broker with OptionX, so both will be in sync. So whatever order you will execute from OptionX, it will show up in the trading, like in the broker terminal, and also the orders you are placing it from the broker terminal, it will show up here. So both will be in sync.
Okay. And even if I'm using some other algo provider to
Yeah,
fire orders, still it will show here.
yeah.
Okay, okay, clear. Thanks.
Neeraj, one more question. Like in the case, like I had 10 leg strategy, okay, and I
Mhm.
have executed it manually or some XYZ platform. Can I club X number of legs from Y number of legs and put a stop loss for those specific number of legs?
Yeah, you can put it. So you can create strategies, two strategies, and you can include those legs only, and then you can put a target and stop loss on those trades.
For the executive legs, like
Yeah,
there are
yeah,
20 legs executed, and I only want to put a stop loss
mm,
to those 10 legs for the combined premium.
yeah. You can do so. Mm. So you just need to create a strategy, and that strategy should include the same legs which is there in your position. That's it. Mm. But by the way, what is your good team? So because I can see it
I'm
is a
Sachin.
Sachin. Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you get it, whatever I've said.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
if
believe so.
yeah, I can show you. So basically, this is vice versa. Like we created a strategy and then took a position, and again, you can create another strategy with these legs. So you just need to go to builder. So open the builder and add only those legs here, and you can create a open the ladder, and using ladder you can put a stop loss. So
Okay, so we'll have to create the opposite trades here.
yeah, not necessarily, because anyways we handle both the situation, like entering and exit both are handled over here.
Since I'm already in the trade, so I will be doing it.
No, actually, what here with the spread ladder happens, if you click on bid column, it will execute all the legs in the ratio which we have provided. Like I have provided this 550 buy, so it will do the like it will basically buy that leg. But if I am into offers, in that case, it will sell this order, it will place a reverse order. So if you create any strategy, you can just maintain the same ratio. You don't need to do the reverse one, and then you can just put a stop loss. Switch to SL, and then put a stop loss. Let's suppose I have bought at 80, so I'll put a stop loss at 90, and this stop loss will be at combined premium.
Okay.
And then you can put this on trailing. So I did, I just placed the stop loss in the offer side, so it will automatically send a reverse order, so you don't need to worry about those things.
Neeraj, how do we connect you directly? Like, do you have any number so we can connect with you?
Yeah,
In the
sure.
case, like, once we start and we have anything during the session.
Yeah, I'll send my number, chat box. Yeah, I've sent my mobile number in the chat box, so you can.
Okay, that is 70616296444.
Yeah, and also we have a demo session every day in the morning in the live market session, so we could show you using Nifty and all. So yeah, if you guys are available in the morning session also, you can join, and if you have any query, you can ask over there.
Okay.
Do you have a discussion room where we can connect anytime, or we need to ping? Because so far I'm just pinging Sunil, but he's busy.
Yeah,
So
so like we have a Telegram channel. So uh, uh, yeah, we can create a channel for the paid members and a separate channel for the paid members. Right now we have a single channel, and that could be at any place, maybe a WhatsApp or Slack or Telegram, and yeah, we can do it. Yeah.
the thing is, support is very important because I see this
Yeah.
product is very good actually. There are
Yeah.
little changes which I already shared to Sunil and
Yeah, yeah. We have
uh,
got your feedback, and
uh,
we have started working on those things. I'll send you an update tomorrow, like whatever is happening. Okay.
in fact, I couldn't resist taking it because I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to explore this. It's very useful. Of course,
Mm-hmm.
we need to be in front of the screen.
Mm-hmm.
If you add some alerts also, no? If you go, if can
Mm-hmm.
you open the chart, any chart?
Yeah. So let me open a Nifty chart. Is
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
here you put any, for
Mm.
example, one horizontal line.
Okay.
Yeah, you just click on that line. You will have the configurations. See, here you don't have option of alert. Okay. In trading view, you have alert, right?
Actually, that is a separate the library. So we have the advanced library. Uh,
Acha.
we can check. So if we can provide that feature over here, uh, so
Because
definitely.
instead
Yeah.
of me watching at the screen, if I get a sound alert and then I can just check and then do the things, right? Means screen time will decrease.
Yeah, actually, this is there also in our pipeline. We are because of the
Acha.
bandwidth, it will take some time, but I think within
Because
the coming quarter, like we will roll out all these features.
because currently people are using trading view alerts and then they will go to the screen and take the positions.
Yeah. That's
Okay, good.
right. Anything else, anyone, or else we can conclude this call. Okay. So if
All right, then.
anyone have
Thank
any
you,
queries, then
Neeraj
we
and
have
Manish, for arranging this call. And then, if you guys are interested, we can arrange one session during the live market also. Uh,
yeah,
yeah,
sure.
someday.
Sure, Anchat. Sure.
Yeah. Thanks, Neeraj.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thanks, Ashok.
Neeraj.
Yeah.
Thanks, Anchal.
You're
Thanks for.
welcome.
Actually, Anchal asked me to check this and I
Mm,
joined. It's very good, actually.
yeah. Thanks. Means a lot, sir.
Thanks, Neeraj and Manish.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you
Okay.
all.
Bye.